Hey everybody, we are back and we are here with the My Keto Snack Box. For those who don't know, the My Keto Snack Box is a monthly subscription box with a variety of snacks to help you stay on your keto diet. It ranges from $36 a box to $38 a box, depending on the subscription that you choose. I'll put that down in the description below. So let's check this one out.
Alright, so were we filling the last box?
Yeah, we were.
We weren't filling the first box. We were filling the last box. Second, this is our third one, right?
Yes, this is our third one. This is our last one.
Oh, okay, all right. Alright, so I can tell you now. 1, 2, 3, 4. A lot of things. Okay. These are protein puffs. First thing I'm opening. Let me just give you a.
Yeah. It's pretty stacked.
Yeah.
So it's not one of them boxes that you guys see that we get and it's like a whole bunch of filler we gotta take out.
Yeah.
The box is full.
Right. So that's that. These are the Shrwed food brand protein puffs, baked cheddar flavoring. 14 grams of protein and 2 carbs.
I'm not mad at that.
Yeah.
You wanna try one?
Always. You ain't got to ask me. Oh,
Like?
look, more brownie. But this one, that That's good.
They like cheese puffs.
It tastes just like cheese puff.
And only 2 carbs. Oh my gosh, this is what I've been missing. I miss cheese puffs.
That's crazy.
Okay, let me stop.
But it's crunchy. It's like it tastes just like a Cheeto in a bowl.
There you go. Cheeto in a bowl.
Yeah, it's crunchier than a puff. It's a Cheeto. It tastes just like a Cheeto.
Yep.
This is the Pyure, Pyure, organic, sugar-free, bakeable chocolate fudge brownies. Ooh, she just baked some cookies the other night, 2 nights ago or something. Bomb.
Okay.
They were bomb, so I'm waiting on it.
Okay.
Waiting on it.
These gonna have to get made now.
Oh, it's gluten-free, high in fiber, and keto-friendly. I don't know how to do the carb.
5. Right. 5 net carbs.
Oh, okay.
Her thumb was covering it up. But the cookies were bombs. I don't know what. I mean, you put a stick of butter in anything, it's gonna be good.
Yeah.
Let's be for real.
What brand was those cookies?
It was the same brand.
It
was the same company that made the cookies, made these brownies. So I cannot wait to crack open these brownies and see how good they were. Yep. I cannot wait. But if you get those cookies, it says 8 minutes to cook, but give it 5 minutes to cool, and then that way it'll be hard enough on top so you can scoop it out.
Bomb. That was the best. Those taste better than like non-keto cookies to me.
Those are good cookies.
Yeah. Okay, I love dill pickle flavor. So these are Quevos. Ooh, probably Quevos.
Yeah, probably Quevos.
Chips. Dill pickle flavor. And they are 8 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, and 4 net carbs.
She would test me.
Yeah. Just pop like a bag of chips. No?
I'm trying. It's not working.
Oh. Yeah.
Sorry, Mom.
Hey. It's going to taste like a Cheeto. Oh, I love these. But I love dill. I love dill flavor stuff.
This is a chip that you put on a sandwich. Because it tastes just like pickles.
I don't like chips on sandwiches. It do taste just like a pickle. I don't like chips on sandwiches.
I love chips on sandwiches. Give you that extra crunch.
Let
us know below. Are you for chips on sandwiches or against chips on sandwiches? Because I'm for.
But you know what? I do love putting a pickle on my sandwich.
Oh,
I like a crunchy pickle, so I do like the crunch. But yeah, it just tastes like dill pickle chips. It's good to me.
I like it.
Yeah. Guys, I'm making a little white cheddar taste too. I don't know.
At the end, once you get the past pickle, it's white cheddar.
Okay.
So it's very interesting, but I like it.
Me too. This is Macadamia Vanilla Keto Nut Butter. Perfect Keto is the brand.
Now, I think we got nut butter last time, but we still haven't had it. And it's not because we didn't want to eat it. It's just because we didn't have a chance to have put something on.
All right. More nut butters. Okay.
I'm all for nut butter. And vanilla macadamia sounds delicious.
Yeah, it does. This is the Real Food Snack Bar, FBomb brand. Chocolate hazelnut. Part of a low carb lifestyle. Contains 2 snack bars. So, trying to find out the carbs for you guys. Okay, it's 6 grams, but I don't know. Net carb could be different. I ain't got that. I don't like I be having to calculate. I don't got time for that.
So you take that out. It's pretty much 3 altogether.
Yeah, she good with the numbers and pretty much everything else.
So it comes in like a little container. You can separate.
Oh, well, that's interesting.
And they shape like little eggs.
My bad. I got my lunch all over my hands. I don't know about that. I don't like the way it looks.
For you, not for you.
It tastes like a chocolate protein bar.
I taste more nut than chocolate.
Uh-huh.
Just remind me of Payday with no caramel.
A diet Payday.
Diet Payday with no caramel.
Yeah.
So
with a lot of protein in it. I taste a lot of protein, like you know what I mean? That protein.
That protein aftertaste that you get. Especially when you drink like a protein shake. It's like it's good on the surface, but then you taste that chalkiness. So is this my favorite thing? No. But if I'm desperate and it's like 11:50 and I got 10 more minutes to eat, I'll go ahead and shoot that real quick.
You still fasting? No wonder she keep getting skinny and I keep getting bigger. Okay.
You didn't give me a stop time to fasting.
I stopped as soon as I stopped. I stopped 2 days later. Fasting ain't for me because my eating schedule is so here and there. If I choose a time to fast, I might not eat the whole day because I got something going on the other out. You know, I ain't got time.
So for me, it's midnight to noon. By 12:01, I'm in the kitchen. Going, thank God. Okay, so what is this?
You know, I guess I could do midnight to noon. My lunch break.
That was the time you set up for me.
12:30, and I was what I plan on doing, but all right, we getting sidetracked. Okay, this is the Be Lean bars with benefits. Jimmy protein bar. Strawberry nut is the flavor. Keto friendly, grain and gluten free, high fat, low net carbs. This is 5 net carbs.
All right, crack this bad boy.
Yeah. Crack that.
We gotta taste it for you guys to tell you what it tastes like.
You know,
like we can't taste the brownies because brownies we gotta cook them. And y'all don't need to see my baking skills. It's a mess.
No, you be trying to catch your nut with the bacon. Well, this is what it looks like.
I'm not tasting any strawberries. There it is. Takes a minute.
Damn, that's true. It did take a little minute, but it just tastes like chocolate. Maybe they gave us the wrong flavor. It's chocolate.
I taste chocolate. Strawberry. It's not my favorite.
Confused.
The really good one is a s'mores. I'm not sure if it's by Atkins or Slim Fast or whoever, but there's a s'mores one, a meal bar that's delicious. But
now, I'm sitting here trying to figure out what this is, but it's the KetoMeal strawberry flavor. And just give me a sec to figure out what this is. I feel like it makes drinks, maybe.
Replace one meal with this, so it's probably a powder for a drink or something. I'm looking for instructions. It says drink 1 to 2 servings of it. So you probably mix it in water and you replace your meal with it.
Mm-hmm. I don't know about that.
She's not good at replacing protein shakes with actual meals. She usually drinks a protein shake with her meal.
Why you tell them like that? They go.
Because they gotta know what I'm living with.
Yeah.
It was her idea to do keto. It was her idea to do fasting, and she is not.
But she benefited. I mean, I did it, but I'm gonna really put my foot down and try. Maybe start next week. Next we got Fire Creek Snacks beef and pork stick. It's a slim gem. It's a thick gem. Whatever you call these.
This is beef and pork, so if you don't eat either, then you're gonna be very unhappy with that.
Yeah.
I just love Slim Jim. I don't need to taste this because I love beef jerky. I know she doesn't.
Yeah.
I love beef jerky, so I don't need to taste that.
Y'all know what beef jerky is like. Lastly, is the Good to Go cinnamon pecan soft baked bar.
Soft bake.
This sounds like it'll be good. I really want to try this one.
I see my job is opening up stuff. But she does read all the stuff in this one. It looks like cookie, like pastry. And if you're watching this and you're getting hungry, I'm sorry. Mmm.
Just like a cinnamon cookie.
Mm-hmm. This I like.
I like it.
It's a good consistency.
It's cinnamon cookie. A tiny bit grittier than a cookie, but it's not gritty. Just a little grittier cookie. I think it's good though. I really like it.
I like it.
Yeah, I like it too. So, all in all,
I'm happy with this box.
me too.
I cannot wait to crack these open because their cookies were so good.
Yes, they were.
I think the only thing we were kind of like not too keen on is probably the FBomb.
It's the FBomb, all right.
And this one tastes more like chocolate and strawberry. Tastes a while for strawberry taste. We couldn't give you a review on the KetoMeal because we're not gonna mix it with anything right now. But all in all, I'm happy. For $38, it's still a lot of food. And the cookies that we made last time, there was a lot of cookies in that pack. So I'm pretty sure there's a lot of stuff here. And once again, these stuff that you probably can't find unless you're really looking. And so if you're on keto and you're just trying to start, this is a great sample box. I think $38 is worth it for what I have.
Yeah. You know, like I say, if you got it, if you got money to spend, like if you don't make a whole lot, and at the end of your check after you pay your bills, you only got a couple dollars, and
But hey, you know the stuff that's out there.
Right.
Because we told you what's out there.
Right.
You can go research and find something on your own. Maybe find on Amazon. Because you got to realize it's all samples for you. Well, real size samples. For you to just say, hey, I like this. I'm just going to buy a whole box of them.
And keto, you can still eat meat. So, you know, if you can't afford a box like this, you can buy a Slim Jim. You know what I'm saying?
But be careful about the flavors. The flavors can add carbs.
Or you could buy like a protein bar, but that is expensive anyway. So yeah, all in all, it's worth it.
Yeah, I like it. She likes it.
Yeah.
Let us know what you guys think. Comment, like, subscribe. And as always, in life, there's black and white. But with us, you get a shade of gray. Bye.
Bye.